And standing in front of the entrance to the old Grand Sierra Railroad, the sign is gone. So to make way for the new Beagle Express. This music sounds a lot like Laid On Down by Fleetwood Mac, featuring Bob Welsh on lead vocals from 1971. Prophecy good, prophecy bad, now that prophecy is coming to pass. Sure is. And this is the Camp Snoopy train. As you can see, the track is gone. Now this is what the Grand Sierra Railroad looked like on April 18th. And here's the progress on the Grand Sierra as of May 8th, 2024. And this is what it looks like on May 12th, 2024, even more track. And looking from the bridge above the Grand Sierra entrance, you will see to the right the rock formation where Charlie Brown and Snoopy usually fish, but they're nowhere in sight. And these two angles are from April 18th, as you'll notice, not a track in sight. Now we're on May 8th and still no Charlie or Snoopy. However, if you look carefully in the distance, there's a little bit of track there. Can you see it? Now, if you could not find that, do not despair, because this is from May 12th, and look how much track has been added. Now, this is the part of the ride where Linus says, Snoopy's brother Spike has not been seen in years. Tumbleweed races? Oh, good grief. Now, what we just saw was from May 8th. It's next to the merry-go-round at the Fiesta Village. This is May 12th at sunset. Now, no construction progress was made between those two dates, but sunset usually gives a much better detailed view of the construction than daylight does. Okay, again from the side of the merry-go-round behind me. And again, looking at some footage from April 18th, 2024, as you'll see, the only part of the whole ride where there was even track was here on the bridge. But as we look down right over here, as we go along the path right over here along the boysenberries that are still growing, you'll see the lake, the lagoon, where the Cordelia K used to sail from. Now, in previous videos, I erroneously reported that the Grand Sierra train used to be across the street at Knott's Lagoon. However, that's not right. That train, or those trains, are actually now at Castle Park in Riverside. They're known as the Riverside Express. A couple weeks ago there was no track whatsoever, it was all dirt, and now, as we pan down below, voila! And with the track completed, all that's missing is the animatronic figures of the different Peanuts characters. Now I hope they go as detailed as they were for the Christmas makeover for this ride that happened a couple of years ago, because that had all the characters from the normal Grand Sierra Railroad ride, plus Peppermint Patty, Marcy, and more of Snoopy's siblings. Now, I just found out recently that this bridge used to actually lift up when the Cordelia K boat was around here, but that was taken out after the Silver Bullet was installed. And of course, the Sierra Railroad was shortened to make way for the Silver Bullet. Would that be bags full of popcorn for a Thanksgiving scene? Or maybe bags of jelly beans, or maybe both. And there's your look at the mid-April to mid-May 2024 construction progress for the soon-to-be open Beagle Express, formerly the Grand Sierra Railroad, at Camp Snoopy at Knott's Berry Farm. For the Talking Archive, I'm Josh Jacobs.